SAP Center is now one of the oldest buildings in the league. Built in 1993, we had an indirect R22 system. During COVID, we had a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to replace that system. Fortunately, our ownership agreed with us, and we took advantage of a real bad situation and turned it into a great situation. We're absolutely thrilled with the current performance of Opteon and our new refrigeration system. It is light years ahead of what we previously had with our old system. Us being a premier facility here in the Bay Area, we have very high expectations. Opteon has met all those expectations. This includes having the best ice conditions and building conditions for our players and our entertainers.
What impact has Opteon had in terms of the safety of your facility, and what's the decision-making criteria that you went through when selecting your new refrigerant option?
We have many municipal restrictions as it relates to refrigerants. Fortunately, Opteon kind of checked the boxes for all of us as it relates to safety, as well as the environmental restrictions we have here in California.
So what impact has Opteon had in terms of energy efficiency for your system versus the legacy refrigerant that you're using?
Well, I mean, the new system has allowed us to be much more finite as it relates to temperature control. Certainly the system allows us to really fine-tune the ice, which then allows us to be more efficient, which helps us save energy.
How has maintenance costs changed over the last year?
So honestly, with the new ice refrigeration system, we've had zero cost. Other than, we have preventive maintenance schedule on the system, but to date, we have seen no major issues, which is quite frankly remarkable.
Everything that you guys have been doing here is for the players. So how have your players reacted, and what kind of feedback have they given you on the ice quality since you've switched to Opteon?
The feedback that we have received overwhelmingly has been positive. My staff and I take great pride in knowing that our athletes appreciate what we do and making the NHL one of the best leagues in the world.
What insights can you offer to other rinks around the country and around North America that are looking to update their systems and their refrigerant?
Good question. In my opinion, certainly you get what you pay for. Number two is, try and use tried and true vendors out there. For instance, in this installation here, we use Train, and we went with them simply because, we wanted to opt in on number one. Number two is the packages were nice and small. So quite frankly, it was plug and play for us.